What if AI could design stunning images, write better content, and even take meeting notes for you? 2025 is the year AI stops being optional and becomes something we all rely on. From creative studios to smart search and business tools, here are 7 breakthrough AIs you'll regret not trying this year. Number 1. Nano Banana, Google's Gemini 2.5 Flash Image. Have you ever tried making small edits to AI-generated images, only to end up frustrated? You ask the AI to make a shirt blue, and suddenly the person has 3 arms. That's where Nano Banana, Google's Gemini 2.5 Flash image model comes in, and it's nothing short of revolutionary. What makes it special is conversational editing. You can literally tell it in plain English what to change, like make the background brighter, or add a cat sitting on the sofa, and it'll do it, without destroying the rest of the picture. But that's not all. It can mix multiple images together, keep characters consistent across scenes, and even add clear, readable text inside an image. For creatives, this is a total game changer. It feels less like a tool and more like a fast, reliable design partner sitting next to you. And yes, the Nano Banana name actually came from internal testing before Google revealed it. So, if you see people online raving about bananas, now you know why. The best part? You don't need to be a developer to try it. You can access it with your Google account via Gemini or Google AI Studio. Some images may carry a watermark, but the creative power it gives you is worth it. So, would you use Nano Banana for fun edits like memes, or for serious projects like marketing designs? Number 2. ImagineArt by Viro.ai. Next up is ImagineArt. And if Nano Banana feels like a super smart designer friend, ImagineArt feels like an entire creative studio in your browser. Here's the problem it solves. Today, making a single ad or creative project often means juggling 5 different apps, one for graphics, one for video, one for text. It's exhausting. ImagineArt says, why not put everything in one place? It's built for everyone, professionals, hobbyists, and even beginners who have never touched Photoshop. You can brainstorm ideas, design visuals, create short videos, and even generate personalized avatars, all without leaving the platform. It learns from you and adapts to your style over time, almost like having an AI-powered mentor. Millions are already using it, and it's growing like wildfire. The team behind ImagineArt wants to hit 1 billion assets created monthly, and honestly, that doesn't sound too crazy when you see how simple it makes the creative process. Whether you're a marketer launching campaigns, a teacher designing visuals for lessons, or just someone who loves experimenting, ImagineArt is that all-in-one toolbox that finally ends creative chaos. Number 3. SAS Agentic AI. Now, let's step into the business world with SAS Agentic AI. This one is less about flashy art and more about smart decision-making. Think about how businesses run. Every day, companies make thousands of small choices, approving loans, detecting fraud, recommending products. Normally, humans or basic automation handle these, but mistakes happen. SAS Agentic AI introduces intelligent agents that can make these decisions in real time, with built-in trust and transparency. The beauty is in the balance. Sometimes the AI works completely on its own, like detecting fraud instantly. Other times it works with human oversight, letting managers review before finalizing. That flexibility makes it safer for industries like banking and healthcare, where precision is critical. For companies, it means smoother operations and fewer errors. For customers, it means faster, more reliable services. This might not be the flashiest tool on the list, but trust me, it's one of those silent breakthroughs that'll be everywhere soon. Number 4. Moonshot AI, Kimi K2. Okay, now things get really interesting. Meet Kimi K2, built by Moonshot AI. This isn't just another chatbot, it's designed to act. With over 1 trillion parameters, Kimi K2 is insanely powerful. Most AI models just answer questions, but Kimi takes it further. It can complete tasks. Think of it as the difference between someone telling you how to cook a recipe versus someone actually cooking it for you. There are 2 main versions of Kimi K2, each designed for different needs. Kimi K2 Base is aimed at researchers and developers who want full control to fine-tune and customize the model for their own projects. On the other hand, Kimi K2 Instruct is a ready-to-use version built for everyday users, offering a simple plug-and-play experience without the need for complex setup. It's optimized for things like coding, solving complex math, and even managing agent-based workflows. That means instead of just giving you an answer, it can coordinate actions, run sequences, and basically function as a mini digital employee. This is where the future of AI is headed. Not just chatting with us, but working alongside us. Number 5. Gist Answers by Prorata.ai. Now let's move on to a tool that is really changing the game for publishers, bloggers, and content creators, Gist Answers by Prorata.ai. Here's the issue many websites face. When people search for something online, they usually find the answer on Google and never make it to the original website that actually holds the information. This means publishers lose not only valuable visitors, but also advertising opportunities and potential revenue. Gist Answers steps in to solve this problem in a smart way. It lets websites add their very own AI-powered search box that feels personal and customized. Instead of sending visitors away to Google, this tool keeps them on the site by delivering quick, reliable answers drawn from the site's content and a wide library of trusted sources. On top of that, it can suggest related articles or topics, which keeps readers exploring for longer. The best part? It's fast, super flexible, and incredibly easy to set up. You don't need to be a tech wizard, just add a small piece of code and your website instantly gets a modern AI search feature that blends perfectly with your design. For bloggers, news sites, or online shops, Gist Answers is a secret weapon. It boosts engagement, builds trust, gives more control, and brings more money back to content creators. Would you like me to also make this section a little more story-like? For example, by showing a day in the life of a blogger or news site using Gist Answers. That could make it even more engaging for your YouTube audience. Number 6. Seedream 4.0 by ByteDance. Now, if you're into image generation speed, listen up. ByteDance, the company behind TikTok, has dropped Seedream 4.0 and it's lightning fast. We're talking about generating 2K resolution images in under 2 seconds. That's almost instant compared to other models. And it's not just fast, it also nails consistency. You can generate a character once and then reuse that character across multiple scenes without the AI distorting it. It supports text-to-image, batch generation, natural language editing, and detailed style changes. Basically, it's designed for people who need a lot of visuals quickly. Think marketing agencies, game developers, or content creators. While Google's Nano Banana focuses on precision editing, Seedream 4.0's superpower is speed and scale. So if you're the kind of person who hates waiting around for renders, this one's for you. Number 7. Fireflies AI. Finally, let's talk about a tool that makes everyday life easier, Fireflies AI. Raise your hand if you've ever finished a meeting and thought, wait, what did we just agree on? Fireflies AI solves that problem instantly. It records your Zoom, Teams, or Google Meet calls, transcribes everything in real time, and then highlights the important parts, like action items or deadlines. Later, you can search the transcript just like you'd search Google. For businesses, it means fewer misunderstandings. For students, it's like having lecture notes automatically written for you. For anyone working remotely, it's basically a lifesaver. Imagine never needing to worry about missing a detail again. That's the power of Fireflies. And there you have it, 7 breakthrough AI tools that are transforming 2025 in totally different ways. From Nano Banana's mind-blowing image editing, to ImagineArt's all-in-one creative hub, to Fireflies AI's productivity boost, these tools aren't just futuristic, they're practical, and they're here right now. So the real question is, which of these tools would you try first? Would you go for the speed of Seedream, the smart decision-making of SAS, or the creativity of ImagineArt? Drop your thoughts in the comments, I'd love to know. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the tech that's shaping our future. Trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming next. Remember, technology is only as strong as the people using it. Don't just watch, explore these tools and shape the future you want. AI isn't here to replace creativity, but to empower it. The next move is in your hands.